Hello, beautiful artists. Thank you so much for joining me today. White Purple Cactus. Today is one of the episodes about our cute food. First of all, please go at your own pace, pause wherever you want, and don't worry about being perfect. As we said, we're keeping this chill, messy, perfectionism free, just like always. We will start by building, first of all, the macarons, and we will add the details later. If you can see, they are quite easy to draw. Here is a little speed up, but as I told you, please put pause, or you can just suggest in the comments if I should put the video with normal speed so you have enough time to draw it if you don't like to put the pause. I try to draw one normal macaron seen from the side but normal position, one seen from above, and one from the side but vertically somehow. Now, because I was quite not lazy, but it's the second time I'm filming this because my recording decided not to work, I decided to just do directly on the sketch the coloring and not add the additional layer of inking. Not inking, but separate. As you can see now, I'm developing a big passion for blue pencil and I love it. It's an addiction, honestly. I quite understand why everyone is using it to do their sketches. So now we are adding the shadow for this macaron. Honestly, I love this one. We can be raspberry if you want. And now we just add small details. I didn't want to do this such a complex thing because this should be something that we enjoy doing. So no stress, no nothing. Small details here. Here is where the macaron grows suddenly while baked. It's very important to do the shapes first of all because it's very helpful for our brain to understand what is happening. I decided in this situation to also do the shadows, and yeah, I'm doing the shadow in separate layers as you can see, and we will add emotions basically at the end when we are doing the last parts. I think I would like to draw or to make also a video of how I'm constructing my things and the logic about it because honestly I learned it better lately and I'm quite happy about what I learned. So maybe this will also help someone. And if you have suggestions for cute foods, please let me know because I'm starting to get out of ideas. Also, please don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more cute videos. Here I added an additional layer for the macarons because you can see from the other macarons you have the additional bigger circle that you can see from above. And then some light, and now let's draw the emotions. So first one, you will be a frightened one. He's so he's so frightened and he's so confused. You just want to hug him. I like this one, this emotion, and I think it's very suitable for the yellow one. And I like to do the white part of their eyes. Here I'm testing to see what hands I should add to it, but honestly I decided that normal long hands should be better. At one point I think I will decide how I also want to be more intentional with my shapes, but this will come soon. Now this one is a happy one, it's a cute one, and I liked it because it's also on the pink background, so you can see that somehow I'm trying to match also the emotions with the colors. And this one is just a happy macaron, a raspberry kiss. I like to draw their legs like this. I don't know. It's one of my guilty passions. And here I was trying to draw the eyes like they're floating over the macaron's face. And I was trying to see which position is better. And this one is basically laying on his belly, macaron belly, because you can see the legs are in that direction, in right direction. And I'm giving her some cute arms now. Basically, this is everything that this is everything. Please let me know what we should draw next week and what emotions you would prefer to see. It's very important to add a little background. I try to add a little shadow, but not too much because it's cartooning and I'm having fun. And now the special moment, adding the ears. So this is our macaroons cat. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye.